Okay, welcome to our summary of week 4 for C# in our program, and still sticking with the dog theme that I have going currently. I thought we would just add a little bit more to the program, and for our demonstration this week we are obtaining information from the user and we are storing it in an external file, both writing to that file from our program, storing the information that we write to that file, saving it, and then also being able to display that file directly back for the user. So let's see what we've got. Again, we've got our basic design that we've been working with our dog, and our radio buttons to choose what lifestyle still work. Again, it's just a work in progress, and we're going to skip over the number of children in household from last week, and we're going to this week enter the size of our yard in square feet. So let's say we have a decent sized backyard and it has 100 square feet. We can click Save Info. Let's enter in some other values. We'll collect a whole bunch and see if they store to our file. Let's make it very large, 1,000. Save that. We could just pick a random number of 345 square feet. Save that. And let's just say 726. Save. Now if we click our Read Info button, we should be able to pull up what we've written to the file. And it displays to our screen our first input, which was 45. If we click OK, it'll cycle through to our second input value, which was 67, 100, 1,000, 345, 726, and those are our values. It appears as 726 is still on the screen. That was the last value we entered. So let's see what happens when we click Display the Info from File. We get a nice file folder, and we have our info in a text document, and we can open that file. And we can open that file. There we go. And it displays every value that we entered on a new line, representing all the values that the user would have entered for their square footage for their yard. Now this could be extremely useful in saving this information and being able to retain it for future use. We click OK, and that is our demonstration. If we go and look at our code for this, it is very simple code that we are coming here, and we're saying that this function will display the actual text file that was created when the user entered in their square foot for their living arrangement. Once that data has been entered and stored in a text file, this will allow the user to see the contents from that directory or file. And below is our code, where we are using an open file dialog command. And using Stream Reader to get our information back from our text file.